and welcome back to the channel. This is Isaac with Where Are We Going? We are here today at 2026 Tampa RV Supershow, and I am, as you can see, at the Noovo Pavilion, and I'm going to basically go through all of their models, the Light, the Plus, and their brand new Sprinter model, the Next, and talk to you about 3 things that I like on each model and why. For the longest time, people always ask me which van should I get. And the answer for that was always complicated until I met the amazing team in Las Vegas. I can clearly and honestly say that Noovo is top ranking. Everybody's talking about them, everybody wants to be in them, and everybody is getting them. Maggie from Noovo is with me. Being a part of Noovo family is being a part of a community that loves you, that supports you. We love Noovo.
You know, I think that that's something that I love about Noovo too, is obviously we love our Noovo owners. We want everyone to be in a Noovo, but you don't need to own a Noovo to be a part of our community or to be welcomed into the events or activations that we do. We have our Noovo Light, which is our flagship and great for solo travelers or couples. Our best-selling Noovo Plus, which everyone loves, with the elevator lift bed and gorgeous U-shaped lounge. And then of course, our brand new Sprinter model, the Noovo Next, which is our only all-wheel drive offering and has all the bells and whistles that you could possibly imagine for a technologically advanced camper van.
And for all of you who have been asking for a Sprinter model, a Noovo Sprinter, yes, they have it now. Like, they can't have any excuses anymore, right?
No.
Come and get it.
We are so excited and feeling overwhelmed in the best way possible by how much positive energy we've gotten on the Sprinter, how many orders we've already received. If it is something that you're interested in, it is important to contact our team to discuss the wait list currently, but we do try our best to get everyone in as soon as possible.
Exactly. And there's a lot more happening. There's a lot more news coming from Noovo soon. We're not gonna say anything, but stay tuned because it's in the pipeline. And yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna say anything else. Yeah. I want to, but I can't. You have to stay tuned for that. So I'll start with their flagship model, the Light. Which, just like Maggie has explained, it's their smallest of them all, and it is perfect for a solo or a couple. I would like to show you 3 things that I really like about each model that they have, and that will give you some understanding of Noovo quality and how they are here to please their customers. So let's start. So what I really like about the Light, it's so spacious. It is built on the 3500 Ram ProMaster chassis, and you do not feel claustrophobic at all. They managed to separate the living quarters, the bathroom, and the dining area, the lounging area so smart. You don't ever feel trapped or claustrophobic at all. And I did meet a lot of customers who actually own this model, and they all say the same thing, that they're very, very, very comfortable driving in it, camping in it, and some of them actually live full-time in it. One, the use of space. Wonderful work. Second is the aesthetics, which is applicable to all of their models, is Noovo's signature. The interior aesthetics is so thoughtful and so European inspired, especially all their curved corners, their cabinetry, the kitchen, the table, everything is curved. And that adds not just aesthetics, it also provides safety because you don't bang your head or your body parts in any of the sharp corners, but especially for cabinetry, it creates this drop behind this massive opening here. First of all, as volume goes inside the cabinets, it increases it tremendously. The other thing is the fact that like everything is basically protected and kept inside with this huge drop and the lip in front of it. Nothing flies out of here at you once you open the door after driving or anything like that. So that is a beautiful thing. Another thing I really like about the Noovo is storage, especially in the kitchen. They have not 1, but 2 pantries. Look at this. 2 here and another 2 here. And they're tall enough to accommodate actually a full wine bottle. The building construction quality is just superb. The best part for a Class B van is the height of the bed. It's just like a residential height. In comparison, you know, many vans out there are so high in order to create garage space underneath, and it becomes a challenging issue for many, especially elderly, to climb on the bed. But Nuvo has solved that problem by actually lowering their bed dramatically to an average residential height. And one more thing that I really like about the Light, I guess I have like more than 3, but no, the aesthetics is applicable for all. So this is the last thing. I love to have this huge bathroom in a Class B van. Now, a cassette toilet, but look at all the space that I have. It actually has a drop down, so you can fit here. I'm 5'9", with a hat and with shoes I'm probably 5'10", 11 maybe, but I still have great space here. Look at my elbows, like I can move here easily, and it comes with a Ouija door. And when I sit on the toilet, it is very comfortable, not claustrophobic at all. And don't forget, you are in a Class B. This is a Noovo Light. So now let's go to the most popular model, the Plus. Well, the Noovo Plus with a super high roof that gives you 7-foot interior height. Now that is unheard of with a rear lounge. The number 1 on the list for the Plus is the height. 7-foot height in this cabin on a Class B van. You can't beat that. So that's my number 1. Number 2 for the Plus, it's the rear lounge. Look at this space. This space can easily accommodate 8 people around this beautifully designed smart table, as I call it. These leaves, they fold and create more space to scoot in and out of the lounge, which is genius. And this table is also telescopic, and it all operates by these buttons here. So if I press the button, the table goes down, and then press of a button and your bed comes down. Look at that. And you're ready to go to bed for an awesome night's sleep. This also gives you the option to sleep 4 people, so you can raise the bed a little bit. Since the table is lowered and these cushions are gathered in a center, you have a massive king bed down below. So you have 2 large beds on a bunk bed situation. On a Class B, providing this much lounge space, you don't have to make a bed every night. Press of a button, your bed comes down and you're ready to go. The loft bed and the lounge combined together is my number 2. Another thing that I really like about the Plus is the fact that they also have great use of all the space for storage. This is amazing. Up front here, it goes side to side, very deep, and it can store so much stuff. But that's not it. In the lounge area, all these cabinets are providing ample space for extra storage. Not only inside, also outside, you have more storage as part of the lounge bed, and still offering you garage space. And of course, if you want to see each model and their dedicated full tour videos, check in the description. I added all the links to my videos in there. It's a Sprinter, an all-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter, the Noovo Next. All by itself is like everything I like about it. But if I have to point out 3 of them, here is number 1, the lounge area. With all the swiveling seats up front, and this gigantic bench seat here, and this amazing extendable table, you have a great place to play, dine, work. This table extends so much out that it can become space for 2 monitors if you're a digital nomad, or it could be used as an extension to your kitchen counters. The bench is a huge storage space, so This whole lounge area, thumbs up. My number 2 is this beautiful porcelain countertop that has 2 induction cooktops integrated into it. The third and not least is this wonderful, flexible, convertible bed. With a push of a button, the whole back lifts up, creating a ginormous garage space for you. And when the bed is lift up like this, you basically have a giant sofa in the back to lounge, relax, watch TV, and look how beautifully designed this bedroom area is. Very sophisticated, like the French European design aesthetics is everywhere. Nuvo just did it again. And the bed is not even high. Look at that. It's slightly above my knee. That's how high the bed is. So you don't have to climb ladders, you don't have to step on stools or anything like that. It is very, very easy to access. So great. So that's my short review and the 3 things that I like on each model here at Nuvo. Check those beautiful rigs for yourself firsthand. And don't forget, you can watch all these full tours on my channel. If you like this video, as usual, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so that we can grow our community together. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And until the next time, see you on the road.